Okay, I have a quick, easy effect that anyone can do right away. So as you can see, I have ace through 7 of each of the 4 suits. Okay, so we can turn these down and then have the spectator tell you how to stack these. Bottom right, top left, top right, bottom left. Okay, very good. In fact, we can even give the card something called a Charlier shuffle. This is the bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom shuffle. I'll add a link in the description below, actually. So it's a great way to mix the cards. Okay. Another mixing that we'll do is something called the first shall be last and the last shall be first. So I'll begin dealing the cards until you tell me stop. Stop there. Okay. Stop there. Okay, that's fine. Stop there. Stop there. Okay, I'm kind of going off the screen there, sorry. So this is called the first shall be last and the last shall be first. I need to point out that I did not decide the stopping places. It truly can be random stopping places decided by the spectator. That's essential. And then we'll just stack from right to left. Okay, very good. Let's straighten these up if I can. And then let's do another Charlier shuffle just to make sure these are really well mixed. Now, most importantly, I need you to come in here and randomly cut it anywhere you'd like and complete the cut. Okay. Now, you would have to agree that none of us could know the state of the cards at this point. But what I'm going to do is take a look at, oh, that's a nice card at the top. Take a look at the top card, and whatever the value is, I'm going to go ahead and move that many cards, so ace counts as a 1, to the bottom. And then I'm going to deal out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's go ahead and give it a Charlier shuffle again. It is true this is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but it's kind of a nice way to scramble the cards. But what is essential, have the spectator go ahead and cut the cards wherever they would like, complete the cut. What card has been brought to the top? A 2. Okay, so 1, 2, and then we'll deal out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Go ahead and Charlier shuffle the remaining cards. We'll have you come in here and cut the cards wherever you would like. Right there. Complete the cut. Okay. What card have you brought to the top? A 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll deal down 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Very good. Charlier shuffle these. More importantly, can you please cut this final packet wherever you would like, complete the cut. What card has risen to the top? A 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just deal those to the table. Should be 7 of them there. Okay, and then I have a written prediction off to the side. So let's take a look at it for the first time here. So let's see, what did I predict would or could happen here? Okay, so the top card of each pile, ooh, that'll be kind of surprising, will be an ace. Okay, well, we got 1. Still have 3 piles. Oh, we got 2 aces. 3 aces. Okay, what about the last one? 4 aces. That is amazing. How did you pull that off with these perfect cuts? Oh, wait. The bottom card of each pile will be a 7. Oh, there you go. There's a 7 there. Another 7. You're doing it. Every single one of these is nailing the prediction. That is amazing. Okay. Oh, there is a last part here. Look at the rest of the cards. Okay. Well, what are we looking at here? Oh boy. Oh boy, check this out. How in the world did you pull that off? We have aces, of course, at the top, which we've seen already, so I don't know if I need to reveal those. And then all of the other cards are in perfect numeric order here. That is mind-blowing. How in the world is this even possible? Well, you do in fact, we're all reset here. You can do the whole thing again immediately. You know, just turn them over, random stack, and so forth. So if you follow the steps that I showed you, this will work for you every single time. It'll work perfectly. Now, if you want to decrease the size of the packets that's fine. You could have ace through 4 or 5 or 3 or 6, or even ace through 13. You can do this for the entire deck. You can have all 52 cards and you would be laying them out ace through king perfectly at the very end. Okay, well, I'll add some links in the description below and explanations, but everything that you need to know has been shown to you. So you should be able to do this right away. And I do want to point out that dealing into piles until you told me to stop and so forth, and then stacking from right to left, that's just a packet reversal. And a packet reversal is something that's needed before you begin this reading the top card value and then moving the top card to the bottom and then discarding 7 cards and so forth. Okay, so I can add a few notes in the description below, as well as links to the generalized Australian shuffle, which is what we're doing here. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.